Hey loves, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing really well. It's been a while since I did a sit down makeup tutorial. So today's video is going to be my go-to everyday glam. This doesn't mean that I do this on a regular, but then on days where I want a really quick makeup look but to look a little bit beat, if you know what I mean. This is the look I go for, and these are the items I use. So I decided to film. So let's get into this video. So now I've been doing something different. I've been doing my eyebrows after I do my, what do you call it, my foundation. So let's just start with skin. I'm using my Morphe setting spray. I spray this all over my face like that. Then I take my sponge. This is the Evita Joseph sponge, and then I pat in the setting spray to prep my skin to serve as a primer. Yeah, and then I quickly take my Laura Mercier setting powder. I dip my sponge in there, and then I just put this, I put it on areas where I get shiny the most. Okay, and then I put some on my eyebrow, just here, because that's where I get shiny quickly on my brows. And then I just tap into my skin. I go in with my foundation, the NARS foundation that I always use. So 4 pumps. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this brow gel from Clean Color. Yeah, it's a tinted brow gel. So I just brush my eyebrows. My eyebrows are grown right now, and I need to go get them done. After that is done, I'll take my Evita Joseph brow liner. This brush is from the CVL Beauty collection by Valerie Lawson. And then I'll take my MAC Conceal and Correct palette. I'm going to take this one. It's almost done, but there's still a lot of product in there. So I take this. So this is what I've been doing a lot lately. So I take that. And then I use my finger to just blend it onto my eyelid, and then I go on top of it and use my hand again to just clean it. So I'm going back into the same concealer that I used to do my eyebrows because it's not as bright, and I'm going to put that under my eye. So this is it. I can leave it like this, but I'm extra, so I'm going to go in here. This one is a little bit lighter. So I'm just going to tap a little, put that here, just to brighten it a little, just a little. I'm going to use this, the brown. On a regular, I usually use my Fenty Beauty matchstick, but I just wanted to use one palette for this video. But sometimes I do use this contour cream because it's really nice. When you use it, it looks nice. And just the fact that I use the concealer, I just want them to work well together, so why not use all from the same palette basically. And then I go ahead and set my concealer. I'm using the Beauty Baby flower powder. This is the flower powder, so it's very white. You just have to know how to use it and you should be good. So I just take it, tap it like this, go back here, tap it like that, go back into the powder, tap on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then my forehead, my chin, like that. So as soon as I put it there, I start to tap into my skin. I think I even used a lot today. But yeah, I tap it into my skin. And then now I go into my contour powder. I posted this on my Instagram. That's what I use to contour. I don't really like to call it a contour because it's not really much of a contour. It just brings back that warmth into my skin. It's brown, so it just gives my skin that warmth. Again, I just keep saying that. It's called Milk Chocolate from Black Radiance. This is literally my face. Right now I'm down my face. Eyeshadow, I've been using this. This is Brown Script by MAC. So I just take this, take my finger, just get the product on my finger, and then lift my head and use my finger to just pull this all over my eyes. So this is the quickest eyeshadow you can do. I like to always put eyeshadow at the bottom of my eyes, so I just look up and then just put that there. And then I take my mascara from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I take that and then just coat my lashes from bottom up. See, my eyebrows are behaving funny. This is the exact reason why I go back in with the mascara, because whenever I use a mascara, it keeps my brows in check. Like, they don't move. They are like literally stuck the way I want it to be. But when I use the brow gels, after a while it just like moves. It keeps like moving. So this is what I do. I wasn't planning on going back in with the mascara, but then I just had to because of the way my eyebrows were behaving. They were not being good students. Yeah. Right now I've messed up. I've put mascara at the bottom, but I'll leave it for it to dry before I clean it, because right now if I touch it, that whole place will be black. I'm done, but I'm not done. Done. Okay. So I'm going to take Artist Couture highlighter and Jackie Aina's highlighter and La Bronze. So using my finger, going to tap on there. Yeah. And then just blend it up. And I'm going to take my Vita brush, tap it on a little. Ooh, the highlighter. Anyway. For my lips, I've been loving my own lip. So all I do is I take this LA Girl pencil in cappuccino, line my lip, and then I take my MAC clear lip gloss. It's called lip gloss, yeah, the clear one, and then just put this. I take my Morphe again, and then spray myself. You see how like everything is blending in. Did I get some on this side of my face? It's dry. Okay, now I just wet. I just did too much, but yeah, it's gonna dry. So so guys, this is the final look. This is my everyday quick everyday makeup beat face. Literally, this is what I have on in my photos like of late. This is all I do. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love ya. Bye.